Welcome to the Uncle and AI podcast, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and knowledge management. Each episode, we explore that how we can use AI technology in our day-to-day business need, discussing the real-world application, and provide strategic guidance on how to transform your business. So let's begin the journey.
Topic for today. So, Bilal, we'll be discussing with you and we seek your guidance in this perspective that onboarding of new employees, can we get AI tools as an assistant in form of this new onboarding process?
Thank you, Mosen. It's nice to hear from you. You've asked a great question, actually. Yes, definitely. Onboarding employees is definitely about repeating a lot of information to every employee and then ensuring that they understand this information. So I remember when I was being onboarded, we would have a tour of the office. We would be told so many rules. You forget half of them.
Mm-hmm.
No, this is not how learning is done, whether it's through onboarding, whether it's through learning new information. And we should really take advantage of learning management systems, LMSs. There's a few out there, definitely, that can help with onboarding. And all employees should have access to this learning management systems. And they should have basic courses of just a reminder of what the policies at the workplace are, how you can access help, how you go about doing things, how to access your local intranet if you have one, or your local software, or your local knowledge management software. That this is so important, and AI can definitely help with this and absolutely help with the resource management of your HR team, really.
Mm-hmm. So, is there any special training associated for team for this?
Yes, so you know, you can do this in a couple of ways. The first thing is to actually document your onboarding process. So once you've
Mm-hmm.
documented the onboarding process, then the employees get assigned a laptop, a phone, an ID badge, so on and so forth. This can all be automated. There are chatbots for this actually, which you can link directly with Slack, with Teams, and they will go and just talk with the employee, and they will build this information and send it to the right resources through, well, the buzzword is RAG at the moment, but it is workflow management. And when you input your name, your ID number, this will maybe go to the security team or the uh, security management team of the building, and they will issue you an ID card. But at the same time, your name will be required for you to generate a password, which will automatically be generated for you. Go to the IT team, they'll assign a laptop to you. All of these things can be done without going around to every single department and saying, "Hi, this is me, and this is me." And there you can actually have an introduction at a lunch event or something like this, which is better. So, yeah, definitely. A lot of these tasks can be assigned automatically.
Great. So this is great value addition because it's going to save time, effort, energy, resources as well.
Definitely. Mohsin, when you're looking at scheduling, for example,
Mm-hmm.
on the training schedule, okay, this person is coming in, what do we need to do? The first thing you can do is automate the scheduling, because majority of the time everyone has to go through some basic scheduling. So this is
Yes.
the first thing. Second thing, these workflows, you can manage these workflows and already have a lot of the information assigned to them. All of the hardware required was already, assigned to the person. Then you have something where you have a document management system. So this is a real knowledge management system, and there you can already go and assign 10 or 15 different courses to
Mm-hmm.
your particular employee and say, okay, go through these courses and then come and talk to us. Every year we have a GDPR training. Every year we have export import controls because EU regulation is moving very quick with this. So we have to go through these learning anyway, just to keep ourselves up to date. So the employee is going to get used to the fact that constant learning needs to be done, and this can be delivered online.
Wow, wonderful. Great learning. And there are pretty much tools available to facilitate ourselves, specifically regarding the onboarding of new employees. Wonderful. Bilal, that was wonderful information for me as well, and I hope our listeners will also get benefit out of it.
Great, Mohsin. Thank you very much. Thank you for your questions.
Thanks, Bilal, for your time, and see you next time. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
As we wrap up another episode of Uncle and AI podcast, we want to take a moment to thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Let's stay connected, follow us on social media, subscribe to our podcast for more engaging discussions, and remember, your feedback is invaluable. Do not hesitate to reach out to us with any thoughts or any future episode suggestions. Have a good one.